If you were currently being driven around in a Mercedes S-Class, a Bentley Bentayga, or a Cadillac Escalade, you are essentially driving in a relic of the past, because in the highest circles of power in Tokyo, Shanghai, and Dubai, the SUV is officially dead, and the MPV is the new undisputed king. And sitting on the absolute iron throne of this segment is the vehicle we are looking at today, the 2026 Lexus LM 500HE. A machine that is not designed for a driver, but for a master who has ascended beyond the need to touch a steering wheel. Welcome back to EonDrive, and today we are completely ignoring 0 to 60 times and cornering G-forces to focus exclusively on the trinity of luxury travel, the exterior presence that commands respect without shouting, the interior sanctuary that rivals a private jet's first-class suite, and the engineering specs that allow this fortress to cover vast distances without waking its sleeping passengers. We are going to conduct a forensic sensory analysis of this solitary monolith, breaking down the resolute look exterior design that dissolves the traditional grille into art, the 4-seat Emperor layout that features a 48-inch cinema screen and infrared climate sensors, and the hybrid powertrain that delivers a level of smoothness that V12 engines can only dream of. Before we step into this sanctuary, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because every week we uncover the newest, boldest, and most future-ready vehicles on Earth. And if you love cars that change the game, you're in the right place. So let's open the sliding doors and enter the vault. The first thing you must address is the exterior presence, which is controversial, imposing, and undeniably expensive. The 2026 LM takes the Lexus Spindle body concept to its absolute limit, dissolving the traditional mesh grille into the bodywork in a way that looks like a seamless piece of carved titanium, utilizing a hexagonal pattern that fades into the bumper rather than sitting on top of it, creating an aerodynamic efficiency that reduces drag and wind noise significantly. This front end is accented by satin chrome ornamentation that runs along the window line and drops down on the B-pillar like a Japanese calligraphy brushstroke to emphasize the vehicle's planted stance. It stands nearly 2 meters tall, a vertical monolith that maximizes interior volume, sitting on 19-inch forged multi-spoke wheels that are designed not for sportiness, but for aerodynamics to reduce wind turbulence around the arches. The paint is a special sonic titanium or graphite black that uses Lexus's proprietary sonic painting technology to align the metallic flakes perfectly flat using sound waves during the application process, creating a mirror-like finish with zero orange peel that reflects the city lights as you glide past, signaling to everyone that the person inside is too important to be seen. The headlights are slim, triple-beam LED units that cut through the dark with a blade-like precision, and the rear is defined by a single, continuous U-shaped light bar that emphasizes the vehicle's width and stability, giving it the presence of a land yacht docking at a red light. The structural integrity of the exterior shell is also worth noting. Lexus uses laser screw welding and high-rigidity structural adhesive to bond the panels together, creating a chassis that is 50% stiffer than the previous generation, which eliminates body flex and vibration before they can even reach the suspension. But the real magic happens when you step inside, specifically into the 4-seat ultra-luxury configuration, which is the only one you should care about. A dimmable glass partition wall separates the front cockpit from the rear cabin, creating total privacy from the driver, and mounted on that wall is a colossal 48-inch widescreen display that can handle dual-screen inputs for video conferencing or 4K movies, essentially turning your commute into a cinema experience. The glass partition itself is an engineering marvel, capable of switching from transparent to opaque in milliseconds at the touch of a button, allowing you to visually cut off the driver completely. The seats are not car seats. They are thrones wrapped in the highest grade L-Aniline leather, a material so rare that only 1% of hides qualify for selection. Processed to be softer than human skin, featuring heated armrests, heated ottomans that extend fully to support your legs, and a massage system that uses air bladders to replicate the thumb pressure of a shiatsu masseuse rather than the vibration of a cheap chair. You have a refrigerator specifically designed for champagne bottles, umbrella holders built into the doors for rapid deployment, and a climate control system called the Climate Concierge that uses infrared matrix sensors to scan your body temperature and adjust the airflow to specific parts of your body that are cold, ensuring you never feel a draft on your face or ankles. The ceiling is lined with a unique Yabane herringbone wood trim that uses 3D printing techniques to create a texture you can't stop touching, and the ambient lighting offers 64 colors with 14 preset themes inspired by nature to alter your mood instantly. The tray tables are stored in the armrests and deploy with a dampened hydraulic motion that feels heavy and expensive, sized perfectly to hold a laptop or a tablet, wrapped in a non-slip magnesium alloy that is cool to the touch. Now, let's talk about the engineering, range, and specs, because this is what makes the LM usable as a cross-country executive express. Under the hood, the LM500HE abandons the old naturally aspirated V6 for a cutting-edge 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain paired with a high-output E-axle electric motor in the rear, creating the Direct 4 all-wheel drive system. This setup produces a combined 366 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, but the numbers don't matter. What matters is the rear comfort mode. This system actively controls the torque distribution between the front and rear wheels to cancel out pitch and dive, the feeling of your head bobbing forward when braking or backward when accelerating, keeping the vehicle perfectly flat like a maglev train. The Adaptive Variable Suspension, or AVS, uses frequency-sensitive piston valves to absorb even the tiniest vibrations from the road surface, ensuring that if you are drinking coffee in the back, the liquid never ripples. The engineers even redesigned the bushings and the mounting points of the suspension to isolate high-frequency road noise, creating a sensation that the vehicle is floating just above the asphalt rather than rolling on it. In terms of efficiency, this massive apartment on wheels achieves a staggering 25 to 28 miles per gallon combined, which is double what a G-Wagon gets, giving it a total cruising range of over 500 miles on a single tank. This is critical for VIPs. It means you can travel from Los Angeles to San Francisco or Tokyo to Osaka without ever stopping at a gas station, minimizing security risks and maximizing time efficiency. The hybrid system also allows for extended periods of silent EV mode driving in city centers or hotel driveways, allowing you to arrive and depart in absolute stealth. And finally, we arrive at the price, because exclusivity carries a heavy premium. While a standard minivan costs 50 grand, the 2026 Lexus LM 500HE in the 4-seat ultra-luxury specification is expected to carry a sticker price between $170,000 and $190,000, depending on the market and options. This makes it one of the most expensive vehicles Lexus has ever sold, putting it in direct competition with the Mercedes-Maybach GLS and the Bentley Bentayga. However, the value proposition is unique. You are paying for the space, the partition wall, and the anonymity that an SUV simply cannot provide. It's a flex that says you value your privacy and comfort more than you value showing off a hood ornament. When you consider the cost of a private jet, the Lexus LM offers a similar first-class experience on the ground for a fraction of the price. So, the verdict is clear. The Lexus LM is the ultimate tool for the modern tycoon, a vehicle that transforms wasted travel time into productive luxury, creating a mobile office that is better than your actual office. I have to ask, would you be seen in a minivan if it was this luxurious, or is the SUV image too important to you? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button if you appreciate true luxury, and thanks for watching EonDrive.